LG makes installing your window air conditioner in your home quick and easy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly install and set up your LG window air conditioner. Please keep in mind that the air conditioner unit is heavy. 2 or more people are required for safe installation. Failure to do so could result in injuries. This room air conditioner is designed for installation in standard double-hung windows with actual opening widths from 22 to 35 inches and a vertical opening of 13 inches. Do not install through the wall, vertically, or in direct sunlight. Your window insulation kit should include an assortment of 11 Type A and 5 Type B screws, 3 L brackets, 1 adhesive seal strip, 1 seal, 2 guide panels, 1 support bracket, and a drain joint pipe and drain washer. You will also need the following tools for installation: a screwdriver, scissors, pencil, ruler, hammer, and a level. Insert the guide panels into the guides of the air conditioner. Fasten the curtains to the unit with 4 Type A screws on each side. Cut the seal strip to the window width, removing the backing, and attach the seal strip to the underside of the window. Some windows may require you to install a wood strip in the center of the sill to raise the L bracket, making the sill flush against the back of the inner sill. Measure and mark the center line of the inner sill. Next, measure and mark another line 8 inches above and below that center line. This is where your 2 L brackets will be placed. Install 2 L brackets behind the inner window sill, centered on the lines drawn above and below the center line, with the short side of the bracket as shown. Make sure that the bracket edge is flush against the back of the inner sill and use Type A screws to secure. Carefully set the AC in the window so that it is centered and place the AC so that the front edge of the bottom guide is against the back edge of the sill. While steadying the AC, bring the window sash down behind the upper guide of the AC unit. The air conditioner should tilt slightly downward at the back if it is set up properly. This ensures proper drainage. Extend the guide panels to fill the window opening and secure them using 4 Type B screws, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Cut the seal to the window width and stuff the sash between the glass and the window to prevent air and insects from getting into the room. Fasten the L bracket using a Type A screw. Remove the screw from the right side of the AC cabinet. Fasten the support bracket using the screw removed from the cabinet and attach the support bracket to the inner window sill with a Type B screw.